Welcome to Destined Beyond Belief, a space where your spirit finds calm and your heart remembers its true strength. Today, we are breathing with the ocean to gently wash away anxious thoughts and restore peaceful clarity. Find a comfortable place, soften your shoulders, and let your breath move like the tide. Inhale slowly, exhale fully, and allow these ocean breath affirmations to guide you into ease. I breathe like the ocean, calm and steady. With every exhale, tension washes away. I am grounded in the present moment. My breath brings gentle clarity. Waves of peace flow through me. I release fear and embrace ease. I am safe in my body and mind. This fills my whole being. I trust the rhythm of my breath. My thoughts settle like a quiet sea. I let go and allow healing to come. I breathe in strength and breathe out stress. Each breath restores my inner balance. I am centered, peaceful, and aware. Serene energy surrounds me now. I welcome calm into every cell. I am aligned with stillness and grace. Peaceful breath guides me through the day. I flow with life like a gentle tide. I am present, steady, and composed. Quiet confidence grows with each inhale. I release unnecessary tension easily. I carry tranquility with me always. My heart and mind are at ease. I trust myself to handle moments peacefully. I am connected to a deep inner calm. My breath clears space for joy. I feel light, relaxed, and secure. I allow peace to move through me freely. I am resilient and gently grounded. The soft waves of calm soothe my thoughts. I choose tenderness and self-compassion. Harmony fills my thoughts and feelings. I breathe in peace, exhale overwhelm. I am present to the quiet strength within. My mind rests in gentle clarity. I accept rest and renewal right now. I am wrapped in steady, healing breath. I move through life with calm intention. My inner ocean of peace supports me. I honor my need for calm and rest. Each breath renews my sense of safety. I respond to life with tranquil wisdom. I am patient, kind, and peacefully focused. Stillness nourishes my body and spirit. I embrace gentle courage and calm action. I am balanced, clear, and centered. Peace flows to me in predictable waves. I trust the calming power of my breath. I am serene, restored, and whole. Thank you for taking the time to be here with us. If these ocean breath affirmations brought you comfort, please subscribe to Destined Beyond Belief. Like this video, share it with someone who could use calm, and leave a comment with your favorite affirmation. Thank you for joining us. May your day be gentle, clear, and filled with the steady rhythm of peaceful breath. Until next time, keep believing in the calm within you.